Thank you for choosing New Era Pest Control. Bi-monthly maintenance program. Designed for those homes that have corrected the deficiencies outlined in our exclusion checklists and are experiencing very little to no activity. Strictly preventative service. This program may be a better fit for the following scenarios. Less structural challenges. Winter months when pests are less active. Where less applications are required. Homes with well-maintained foliage. Payment requirements. New Era Pest Control requires that a valid debit/credit card remain on file for future billing purposes. All information is stored securely and encrypted. The credit card on file will be debited the morning of the service to verify funds availability, and a payment receipt will be sent via email. We gladly accept debit cards and most major credit cards. We do not accept cash, checks, money orders, bank transfers, or extend credit. Net terms are not available for residential services. Bi-monthly warranty. Your bi-monthly maintenance service offers a 60-day warranty period. While on our maintenance program, and on active status, if you should experience an infestation, we will return at no charge to you, and gladly treat the affected area. This warranty does not include a complete retreat of the property. We will not return for dead insect sightings. Dead insects mean our products are working. Return visits for dead insect sightings will incur a 1-hour labor charge. We wish we could make them disappear as well, but for now, simply discard the dead insect. See our exclusion checklist to see how these pests are entering the home. Keeping insects outside where they belong is key to a successful pest control program. Scheduling your service. Keeping pests outside and away from your home requires regular interval exterior servicing. In order to honor our warranty promise to you, we require that your service be scheduled with regular frequency, without excessive time gaps between services. These lapses allow future infestations to develop. Skipping recommended service frequencies may void your warranty. Scheduling deadlines. In order to remain active on our maintenance program, your next bi-monthly maintenance service must be scheduled within 60 days of the last service performed. As a courtesy, an additional 15 days will be honored, allowing a maximum of 75 days to schedule your next bi-monthly service. If your bi-monthly service remains unscheduled after 75 days, an initial service will again be required before renewing our maintenance program. This ensures that infestation levels have not resurfaced. Unfortunately, we will not honor warranties outside of the 60-day warranty period. Again, thank you for choosing New Era Pest Control. Preventative maintenance your home will appreciate.